Living room transformation? This is massive. We're gonna have to send a picture to Dad. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today is a really exciting day. Today is the day that I surprised my parents with a brand new sectional couch, you guys. Like, this is probably one of the most exciting things that I'm able to do, and I just updated the tracking. It says it should be arriving by 2:30 p.m. So I'm gonna try to eat really quickly, and then I'm gonna head over to the house and I guess wait around for it to come. It's supposed to be shipping in 5 different boxes, so I feel like worst case scenario, my brother and I can carry the pieces downstairs, and my parents are not supposed to be home for a couple of days. My plan is to go over there and put the couch together, and by the time they come back in town, they're like, oh my gosh, what's going on? Who came in the house and stole our old dusty couch? And what is this? I'm so excited to go over there and show you guys the before, and then we'll get into the living room transformation. So let's go. Why is it burning down here? Y'all can't wait for nobody to get any content? Dang, it's supposed to be before, after. Girl.
Oh my goodness.
Well, they cut the couch. Looks like my dad is cutting the couch because it's so old. Y'all, was literally falling apart. Living room transformation?
Hey!
You gotta move all this furniture too. So.
We're getting a new couch.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know if I can move this. On getting some of these stains lifted that were surrounding the old couch so it could look a little bit more refreshed. Granted, this is my dad's man cave, so a lot of football parties, barbecue wings, sauces and stuff is just known to just get everywhere, so I'm just gonna do my best. So here's the packaging for all of the pieces for the Vesgantti Lita modular sofa. There's so many different configurations and fabric options that you could choose, so I'll definitely put the link in the description box below. I was definitely blown away when I realized that the whole couch is in these boxes. So I wanted to unbox them so you could see what comes inside and how nicely they package everything. Everything was there, nothing was broken, and it was super easy to assemble. I thought I would open these now so that they can fluff up in the next few hours while we wait to put the rest of the couch together. The user manual is super helpful, and it tells you everything that's included in the boxes as well as the directions on how to put together your sofa. When I was talking to my parents, they requested a dark colored couch because it was going to be put in my dad's man cave. So I actually ended up selecting the black corduroy. They also do a chenille fabric, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. If I was selecting a couch for my own apartment, I would have definitely gone for the snow white chenille in their modular style. So cozy and honestly will go with any home decor style. So I just wanted to show you other options that they have available and how easy it is for you to customize these sofas to fit your space and all the color options that you can choose from. What I really loved is the fact that this couch came with 2 different leg height options. Because my parents are older, I know that they don't want something that's so low profile, so I opted to attach the longer leg. They were so easy to install, you guys. Honestly, it was very therapeutic to screw these on, and it was just a nice convenience thing. You could swap these out if one day you decide, hey, maybe I want my couch to be a little bit more low to the ground. So I love that they have both options for whatever style you guys are going for. I want my brother to see the progress that I made on my own because I'm really proud of myself.
Yeah, how'd you move the other couch?
Exactly, I'm strong. I know. Here's the directions, y'all.
Well, this one's H, too.
It's gonna take about 30 minutes, it says, to assemble. Big thank you to my brother for helping me do the assembly process. It was pretty self-explanatory using their instruction guide. It comes with these little hinges and brackets. Essentially, you just find the grooves and pop the pieces into place once you get the brackets attached. And we did this for every single piece. Took maybe about an hour. Of course, the time can vary depending on how big you get your couch. So with 2 people, it went by pretty quickly, just attaching the backs and the arms. Also, if you're looking for a couch that's specifically low maintenance where you can actually wash the cushions, this is going to be the sofa for you. And now it's time to attach the couch together so that the pieces individually don't shift around when you're getting up and sitting down. So they actually came with these little brackets that you use to sandwich the 2 pieces together. And again, you just find the little grooves and pop them into place. And again, this was such a quick self-explanatory process. Because the cushions were vacuum sealed in the packaging, they will take about 24 hours to fully fluff up, but I'm still going to assemble the couch and show you guys the final results. Guys, it looks so cute. It's massive. It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I did end up choosing the 2 ottomans with the corner piece and then the 4 pieces. So I'll put the exact couch that I have with the black corduroy material in the description box below so you guys can shop Vesgantti. They have such beautiful selections and configurations if this one is too big or too small for your preferences. The material is so soft, so plush, and it's black, so it's not going to show any stains. You could see little Leroy is obsessed. He's honestly chilling. He has not moved since we put that ottoman cushion there, so it's definitely pet approved. If you have dogs that shed, definitely consider opting for the chenille over the corduroy because you can see some dander depending on what type of dog or cat that you do have. But my parents were absolutely in love. They were obsessed with this transformation. The couch also came with some throw pillows. The depth of these cushions is 26 inches, which is so comfy. I love a deep set couch. It's just more comfortable for lounge, and this couch fits so many people, so it is the perfect couch for this man cave, for hosting parties and having plenty of seating for all of the guests. I am obsessed, you guys, and I think you guys will be too, especially if you're looking for an affordable couch on a budget. This one is absolutely amazing, and I wanted to show you a few different variations and options for configuring this with the ottomans. You can also contact Vesgantti by phone after you purchase your sofa and request this additional blanket. It's so soft, you guys, so cozy, and it's massive. So if you're on the hunt for a new couch to transform your home space, I 10 out of 10 recommend checking out Vesgantti. And again, I'll pop the links in the description box below, and I'll see you guys next time.